Hello students, this is spelling list number 5 and today you'll learn a new pair of letters making one sound. Letter Q and letter U together make Q sound. This is called digraph Q. So let's practice blending and reading the words together. O, N, on. O, N, on. A frog is sitting on the leaf. B, a, t, but. B, a, t, but. I want to go to the party, but I'm really tired. P, o, a, m, plum. P, o, a, m, plum. Yum, it's a fresh and juicy plum. Qu, I, k, quick. Qu, I, k, quick. He has to be quick to catch the bus on time. Qu, I, z, quiz. Qu, I, z, quiz. He got full marks on his quiz. Qu, I, n, queen. Qu, I, n, queen. The queen was very happy. S, qu, I, d, squid. S, qu, I, d, squid. The squid lives in the sea. This is a tricky word, so we'll call out the letter names. T, O, 2. T, O, 2. She is traveling to see her grandma. D, O, do. D, O, do. Do you like my pet? This is a longer word, so we'll break it into syllables. Square, square, e, o, squirrel. Square, square, e, o, squirrel. The squirrel is collecting nuts for winter. Now let's read the spelling list one more time together. On, but, plum, quick, quiz, queen, squid, to, do, squirrel. So that's it for now. Until next time, bye.